Hello everyone, this is my DJI Mini 2. I bought it last month and I have taken the propellers out. My drone has a problem, that is my drone is not powering up. The power button is not working. We are going to put the battery inside the drone now. Here is my charging hub. You can see the batteries are fully charged except this. I am going to use fully charged battery here. Okay, the battery is now inserted, and usually if we press the button once, the LEDs indicate the charge level, but the LEDs are not indicating anything. I am pressing the button multiple times but no response from the drone. Now if I press the quick transfer button here, you can see the battery levels are indicated. That means the quick transfer button is working but the power button is not working, so that I cannot turn on the drone. Usually the system is that I have to press and hold the power button for 2 or 3 seconds and the drone would power on, but no response from the drone. You can see my controller here. The controller is turned on very easily. You can see one press and another press, the controller is on. But the same process is for the drone, but it's not responding. In only a month the fault has occurred and I don't know what to do. If you have any suggestions, please mention it in the comments section. Thank you for watching.